Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. A lot of you guys were asking me to do a video on how I did this little top knot bun yesterday, so I decided to make a video for you guys to show you guys how I did it. So if you guys want to see how I got this cute little bun, then keep on watching.
When I ride on Bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. But baby. Lego. Passing the prime.
So first, I'm gonna start just taking my hair out. It's old. I had my hair in the style already, but you guys wanted to see how I did it. So, y'all, I'm out of breath right now. I don't know why. Also, if you're trying to do this hairstyle, this is not for naturals. If you don't like straightening your hair, putting heat to your hair, this hairstyle is not for you. But first things first, straighten your hair, flatten your hair, bone straight. And y'all, I literally have no mirror in front of me. I am literally looking in the back of my damn iPhone. Usually when I do my hair, I like to do my hair first before my makeup, but I'm doing it backwards today. Usually when I do it this way, I usually get some of my makeup on my face and my edges, but it's okay if I do that. It's just for the video. But okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is some hairspray, and I use this because since I already had my hair in this style, if I just put like the edge control or whatever on my edges just right over it, it's gonna turn white. So I get my hair sprayed. Sometimes I spray it on, but I have makeup on, so I'm not gonna do it that way. So I spray it on my finger, put it on my edges, and I'm gonna comb through them. I'm gonna brush through them. Brush through my edges. Y'all, this is a really old brush, so don't judge me. This feels so good. Y'all ever brush your own hair? It feels so good. So the second thing I use is Beeswax. I really like the Murray's the edge wax from the orange can. I don't have none of that, so we're gonna use this. But I like this because it's black. So if you don't have like really full edges, then this is good for you. Y'all, I'm about to use my little mirror to look at me for my edges because I can't do that in the back of the damn phone. Put on your edges. I notice when I see a lot of other hair videos, a lot of girls, they do like the ponytail first and then do their edges. I don't do that shit. I feel like when your hair is already slicked up and then you're doing the edges, all you're doing is like loosening up the hair. So I don't do it like that. I like to do my edges first. So then I'm gonna take my little edge toothbrush, and y'all, I hate when I see people use this damn side to lay your edges. Don't use this, use this. You're gonna get like a cleaner look. So I'm looking at my camera. I mean, in my mirror right now to do my edges. I can't do that in the back of my phone because I need to be up with some. But this is how I lay my edges, really, you guys. That's all I do. And then you like swoop it up like this because your hair is going to be high in the ponytail. Do the same thing for the side. Y'all, so today was I was so happy because they had drove by my house and I was outside and I seen it and it made me happy, y'all. But okay, back to the video. Now you're gonna want to start brushing your hair up. Brush all of it up as high as you can. First things first, you get your little comb because I recently cut my hair. If you guys see that photo where I was like I had to switch up the hairstyle, I cut my hair, you guys. So right now my hair is still short, so what I do is I brush it up and I take a comb or something to use my fingers, but for now I'm gonna use a comb. And I like part out or just like brush out all the parts that I know is not gonna stay in the ponytail. Like this. Let's do a little more here. Great. All this you leave out. And then obviously your sideburns, you want to leave those out as well. And that's what you need your flat iron for. But I'm not gonna turn my flat iron now just yet. I'm gonna wait till I'm almost done with this process. So here you're gonna take more of that beeswax. And like I said, if you don't like a lot of product in your hair or heat, this hairstyle is not for you. So you're gonna take it, slick up the back of it, the sides, and the front. Then once you do that, just brush everything together and try not to brush up the little hairs that you pull out. I did that one time before, guys, and at the end, I didn't have none of my hair out, so I had to take the whole thing down. I was so irritated. So brush all this up. You can do it as high as you want. I don't do mine that high because I think it looks ridiculous when you've got the buns in my hair. It looks ridiculous. And just brush it as high as you like. Oh, I got a little here. Okay, we're getting there. Right on. All this part I'm like literally looking in the back of the brush. So once that is slicked, and that's when you take your little pump it up. Okay. I put a lot in the back of my head because, like I said, the back of my hair is still short. And then since I don't have a blow dryer, I'm gonna just keep brushing because if I don't, my hair is gonna start curling because you know that's wet. So just keep brushing. It gets sticky, so it's damn near dry. And just perfect anything that you see that doesn't look right to you. Okay, that looks fine to me. You're gonna take your hair tie. You're gonna double it like that. And then put your hair into a ponytail. So once it's in a ponytail, then you go back through it. You see, you need any more edge wax in here. I need some more here. You just put it on the spots that you need. And I'm gonna take the brush part of this and just go over the little small parts.
Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business, I will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me I give her one time, night time.
Okay guys, so once you're done affecting your ponytail, you make sure your sides and everything up. And now you can go ahead and turn on your flat iron because while we're getting our ponytail ready, here's my bundle. I'm gonna take it, and on one end, I'll take my bobby pin. My by the way, this weft is folded, and then you just put it like through the side that's folded and see it doesn't come off. You're gonna stick this. You can put it in the front or the back. I just always stick it in the back like this. Either way, it's gonna come out the same way. I don't know why I do it from the back. You stick it in, and then you just start wrapping around your ponytail. And you don't want to pull too tight because the ponytail is already tight. And if you pull this even tighter, it's gonna give you a headache. You just want to pull it tight enough to know it's secure, but not too tight where you're gonna get one of those tension headaches. So you're gonna keep wrapping this around.
Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Give me not the vibe. Say she wanna roll.
And then lastly, this piece here, you're just gonna pull a little strand of hair, just like this, and then wrap it around to secure it. And that's it. So once your hair is like this, then you're done. Not sure. You're gonna take your comb and comb everything. Just as so. Then, where's that little piece of all that together? You're gonna take all your hair like this. You're gonna gather it. And you're gonna twist. You're gonna twist. Twist, baby, twist. See? And I'm wrapping it. Wrapping it around.
It's fake heels.
Don't twist this too tight because you want it to still be thick enough so your bun won't look deformed. I know you guys seen people's little top knot buns where it's like bigger and it gets smaller. So, and you're gonna like shape it as you're twisting it.
It's fake heels.
The last part is what's gonna cover your track. Just like that. There you go. It's not secure, so I like to use another hair tie. I don't care if people see the hair tie in my hair. It's not like you're seeing a track. So you take another hair tie, or you can take your bobby pin and pin that piece of hair down, but I'm gonna use a hair tie. Put it all together. You're gonna wrap it around 3 times. You can do 2 times, but I like to do 3. And there you have your button. Then what I like to do at the end, I take my rat tail comb and then I take some more edge wax and any pieces that is like sticking up, because you know as I wrapped it around it pulls some of my hair out. I take the edge wax and put it over those pieces right there. And I take the back of my rat tail comb and I slip them. So once everything is done and slipped into your top knot, take the flat iron and the little hairs that you left out, I'm gonna curl them. Try not to burn yourself because I burn myself so many times on this shit.
It's fake heels.
And there you have it, you guys. That's how I do my little bun. Every day it comes out different. So if you guys don't get it right, like every time you do it, don't think that it's wrong. Nothing's gonna come out the same. But as long as you're taking the steps that I did, or take your own steps, but you know, as long as you do it the correct way, it's gonna come out nice. My bun did not look like this yesterday, but it still feels nice, still looks nice, and I still like the way it came out. So that is the end. This is how I do my little top knot bun, you guys. I had got this the hairstyle how I did it, I had got it from Filthy Rich Tresses here on Instagram. I watch her Instagram a lot. So this is how I do my top knot bun, you guys. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you liked it or not. Well, if you didn't like it, I don't give a fuck. But comment down below what videos that you guys want to see next week. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.